মমসাদুল আলম ছাত্র তৌহিদ মিশন বক্তব্য পেশ করবে।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Momshadul Hassan. Today I am discuss about the interesting topic Arabic to English translation Surah Al-Fatiha. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge the rejected shaitan. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of all the universe. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. The most gracious, the most merciful. Maliki Yawmiddin. Master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. The path of those who have received your grace. Siratal lazina an'amta alayhim. Not the path of those who have brought down wrath upon themselves. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin. Not the path of those who have gone astray. Amin.